Hello. Welcome to Hexallt Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter A. The Dutch E is pronounced as A, similar to the A in bed. Listen carefully. Say it with me. A. Now, repeat after me. A. Once more. A. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. A. Now a little faster. A. And once more at normal speed. A. A common mistake is confusing A with A. Make sure to pronounce A with a clear A sound. One more time. A. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. A. Now, a little faster. A. Finally, at normal speed. A. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.